Okay, I got this message from this like a 2020 Chevy Traverse. Well, I need to replace my battery in my remote key. Like, so here's like the key fob, and I need to take out the key. Here's the button right here. Push it down and then pull this. Yeah, here's the key. And then put the key back to the same slot. You don't need to put in a whole lot, like maybe just a little bit, and then give like a quick twist. Yeah, like this. So yep, and then pry open. And here's the battery. Alright, a small flathead screwdriver will be handy. Okay. Let's see what's the model. It's a CR2032. Okay. Well, I have one in my toolbox, or like a. Yep, it will work. Let's see. So the positive sign is to the bottom, so it's like this. Okay. And then just like this, just put everything. Okay. Oops. And then put the key back in. Click. All right. Now I'm just going to try it. Make sure it's like it can lock and unlock the car. Yep. I can unlock and I can lock and have a beep. And all right, remote start work. Nice. All right. Let's try this. All right, nice. The message is gone. All right, I think that's it. That's how you replace the battery on your Chevy key fob. Yeah, it should work on the same style key fob on like a maybe a Silverado, an Equinox. It could be a Trax. Yeah, something like that. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like if you like the video. Leave a comment below. Yeah, talk to you guys later.